Yo, what's good guys? As always, it's your boy Zoggy here, and I'm bringing you guys another video today on some how I record, how I stream, how do I do pretty much anything. First guys, I would recommend you guys getting a pretty good mic because let me tell you guys, it's not fun having a mic that all you hear is freaking static, or like your words are more jumbled than a scribbling page of a 2-year-old, like, I don't know guys, but how I record is OBS Studio, open broadcast software, that's what it stands for. And guys, all you legit have to do is just install it. I installed it, and yeah, it's pretty freaking simple to use, let me tell you. You just download it, put it on your thing, open it up. Mine's already opened, and you can just switch to pretty much anything. As you guys can see, I just made a whole, I have a whole bunch of them guys, and I'm telling you, it's so easy, it's not even funny. But yeah, so all you guys legitimately have to do is go in the link in the description below, install it, and just set up everything, allow it to run as administrator and stuff. Guys, I promise, cross my heart, that it's not a virus. And guys, it's very, very safe. I've been running this program for over 7 months, and I don't have an issue. So I'm not sure if you guys have issues or not. You guys really, honestly shouldn't, because how easy it is to use. If you guys do have an issue, comment below if you guys do. And yeah, so that's probably that. All you guys legitimately have to do is, if you want to add a new scene, press add new scene, press this, and then sources, you can go to browsers, text, and text pretty much does whatever you type, it's gonna pop up there, and you can just click it. Usually you can click it. And then you can just make it bigger or smaller, but sometimes you have to manually do that. You need, if you really want to, you can switch to your audio device and video and stuff like that. But that'll be in another video. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and yeah. Make sure you guys install this. If you have Windows or Mac or Linux, make sure you guys install the correct one. If you have Windows, obviously install Windows, Mac, Linux, and Linux. Guys, make sure you guys be careful out there. And yeah, that's all I'd say. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and Zoggy's out. Peace, guys.